The solution of ACDP, 2 connect PC with USB cable fail. ACDP 2 host connected to computer. Open PC ACDP 2 software and wait for dozens of seconds, but the device is still not connected. Click Settings icon in the upper left corner of the software. Click PC bound to ACDP 2 device. Entering the device list but still without device information. This situation can be achieved by modifying the device IP and connecting to the device. Move the mouse to the network icon in the lower right corner of the computer. Click right mouse button. Click Network Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Don't know which network is ACDP? Can unplug the USB interface of the device once more when inserting can see. Move the mouse to the device network. Right-click and click on Properties. Click Internet TCP IPv4. Click Use the following IP address. As shown in the video, enter device IP address and DNS. Click OK. Wait for a few seconds before the device automatically connects. Thanks for watching.